Hey guys, this is Dr. Tim, and this is high plank from your hands. So on your hands, we want to make sure our fingers are nice and spread out, and that we aren't kind of arching like this, and that this part of our first finger is flat onto the ground. We're going to pop up onto our toes, and again through our checklist, making sure our chin isn't jutted, that it's nice and neutral, and our eyes are gazed straight down, making sure our upper back and our scapula are pushed up, so push away the floor, and then our lower back isn't overarched. It's in a good neutral position. And from here, we can squeeze our butt and pull our kneecaps up and just hold.